Hey guys, you can use Faysal Bank credit card points for free fuel at PSO stations by informing staff to use your points at a participating outlet and using your card at the POS terminal. Points can also be redeemed instantly at over 200 to 300 retail outlets across Pakistan for various products, or at some locations for discounts, while some card types offer other benefits like international lounge access through the MasterCard Travel Pass app. So what you gotta do, visit a participating PSO station, inform the staff you want to redeem your Faisal Bank credit card points for fuel, present your card to the attendant, use the POS terminal to complete the transaction, which may require you to enter your PIN or your PIN. If the points don't cover the full cost, pay the remaining balance with your credit card, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.